Alright, if you are ready to boost and increase your earning on Athene Network before migration to the mainnet on December this year, then this update is for you. This update I'm trying to read for you guys to explain to you guys is update that is being released on Athene platform on November 11 this day. So here we go. They say Athene extra per package only for November buyers. That is, if you are willing to update your Athene earnings, like to buy premium packages, then it has a lot of benefits. And this update will last only this month. So wait attentively, watch this video to end, and listen to this update. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that anytime another update comes, I would like to share it with you guys. So here we go. They say November brings a unique opportunity for Athene users. Extra Athene packages. Users receive an additional amount of Athene when purchasing mining packages. That is, when you purchase any package, they will give you extra Athene. Extra Athene, which we are going to there now. They say this once in a blue moon deal reward loyal users to bought mining packages this month with a substantial bonus in Athene. If you've been considering an upgrade, there's never been a better time to act. So if you are thinking of upgrading, this is the very best time for you to upgrade. So, and what this update contain is, they say devil will come to that is why you should not miss this out. Why you should not miss this out, this offer. Like the benefit of this offer, that is what they are trying to tell us. Then they say important reminder Athene promise to you. Then they say why you should not miss out this offer. This special distribution of Athene Network has an extra 5 million Athene exclusively for package buyers in November. That means they have already arranged 5 million Athene to share it to November package buyers. Yes. And this one-time bonus is designed to recognize and reward your support of the platform. They just feel like to arrange this 5 million Athene for November buyers just to show appreciation on how we are mining Athene. Then they say, okay, here's how much extra Athene you will get per package based on your choosing tire. That means if you wanted to buy bronze package, you are going to get extra 35 Athene per package. Then if you are buying silver package, you are going to get 225 Athene on top of the package you bought. Then the next one is diamond package. If you are buying diamond package, you are going to get 2,175 Athene per package. Imagine extra on top of the package you buy. And I will show you the practical picture of what they just said right now. They say, for example, if you purchase 10 diamond packages, you will receive about a bonus of 21,750 Athene in your account in November. That is a significant boost to your investment with no extra cost. This offer is exclusive to November. That is, after this month, you can never see this offer again. So there won't be similar deals in the near future. So don't miss out this rare chance to amplify your Athene holding. So let's check the offers and see. Let's click on buy here and let's see what they have for us. Okay, look at the packages here and the extra bonus and benefit you are going to get from each package. So now here they say bronze package. Bronze package is not that cost, it's just $3. So in bronze package they say you will get increase in your booster by 300% or more. Not 20%, not 10%, not 50%. They say 300% booster. Then entitled to profit per sharing benefit in Athene every month. Then referral commission. If you are into this very package, bronze package, when you refer one person, you are going to get $0.7 as your reward. Then indirect referral, you are going to get $0.5. And this one, if you are into this package, there is no need of any KYC. You are going to go freely. Then they say freedom to load asset into Athene ecosystem product. Additional benefit to enhance your experience. This is for bronze. Alright. Then the silver package, this is the benefit you are going to get. You get the benefit of booster increasing. That increase your booster by 4,000%. And it's 18,000, it's $18 to buy a silver package is $18, and the benefits are 4,000% booster increasement. Then entitled to profit for sharing benefit and attaining every month. Then referral commission in silver package, when you refer any one person, you are going to get $4 instantly. Then indirect referral, you are going to get $2. It has no KYC, freedom to load everything, and everything it will be free for you. Then moving to the golden package. In golden package, you are going to get a benefit of booster 11,000% booster benefit. Then entitled to profit for sharing benefit in Athene every month. Then a referral commission. In golden package, when you refer single one person, you are going to get $14 as your referral reward. Then indirect referral, you are going to get $6. Is this no massive? Like, is this no massive? If you didn't understand this package, I think you should rewatch this video so that you choose the package that you are going to dive in and start benefiting from this package. This is a great opportunity before December, before migrating to mainnet, so that you gather a lot of Athene on your balance, in your balance. So don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends so that they will benefit from it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop any new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Love you guys. I remain yours, AzZubair. Learn and earn. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.